Welcome back to my channel, traders. What if I told you there was a secret 1 in 5 minute scalping strategy that could predict exactly where you should enter and exit your trade? Now, these buy and sell signals are proven to almost always show up at the right time so you can trade with extremely high win rates. So in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly the best trading view indicators you need to use in order to get you massive profits. And to prove this, I will back test this strategy on cryptocurrency and Forex 200 times each and show you the results. First, I will show you the indicators and settings for trading on cryptocurrency, and then I will show you the settings for trading on Forex. Be sure to grab your free $4,000 from Bybit using the link in the description box below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, first we're going to use the Heikin ashi smooth candle. So we're going to click this indicators. We're going to type in the words Heikin ashi smooth candles, and you want to select this one right here from R+. Click that, and it'll appear on the screen. So now what we have to do is go over what Heikin ashi is, which is it's smooth candles, and it helps you identify the trends so much easier. So the first part that we're going to do is the basic part, which is you're going to buy when your Heikin ashi is here, and you can see it right here. That's nice looking trade. And the sells are going to be when the Heikin ashis turn red, and look at this one right here. This would have been really nice if we were trading that. So as you can see, you'll basically lose a lot of money if you just sit there and trade this by itself, especially with the default settings. Sideways action is an easy way to lose everything that you have. So we're going to change the settings real quick, and that way we can get more accurate sales. So settings are going to change, and we're going to change the input to 15, and this is on Bybit BTC USDT. So go to the description box to claim $4,000 for free, and we're going to change these both to 15. Hit OK, and now you can see here we have they're a little bit changed here, so it's going to make our trades a lot more accurate than the way it used to be for the default. So we have to understand where we are going to put our stop loss. It's really important we add another indicator. That indicator is going to be, well, first go to the indicators menu and type in Atr Bands, and you're going to see a ton of results here. So the one that you want to select is this one right here, TRD, and I click that. Now it's on your screen. So for the strategy, they usually have you place your stop losses where the ATR band is at, but we're going to go to the basically we're going to be looking for the low, and we're going to put our stop loss at the ATR band of the low. So as you can see here, if I go ahead and get that position, and we're going to click this real quick and move the stop loss to that point right there where the ATR band is, the red one, the red part. And then the next is risk to reward. Bam, look at that. Really nice trade. So as you can see right here for the sells, we are going to be looking where the ATR band is at for the green side of things. And you can see that we have the entry, then we have this, and now we are looking at the candle where it's at the last high. You're going to put that at stop loss right there. Then we're going to change the risk to reward. Really nice trade right there. So as you can see here, we're going to change the ATR settings of the bands and change it to 5 right here. And the band scales are going to be at 1. So now you guys can see it will change, and we want to get in and out. That's why we want to have these things really tight. So we're going to hit OK on that, and you guys can see how it changed. So we have a problem with the sideways action. So we have to add another indicator, and that's going to be this. So we're in the indicators window here and type in EMA, and you'll see that right there. We'll go ahead and click it. And once we do, it's going to be added to the chart, and we have to go over to the settings, change that to 400, I should say, and change the style. So we're going to click this right here, change it to yellow, and then what we're going to do is go and change the thickness of the line so we can see everything. So everything is looking pretty nice here. So take the shorts when you're below the EMA, and now we're looking for red 3 candles for the Heikin ashi smooth candles, and for longs we're looking for it has to be above the EMA, and I'm going to show you. So here's a really nice example of a long trade where we are above, candles are changing, 3 candles, get in, and yeah, wow. So here are the results that we have for cryptocurrency, and we did a back test 200 times for you guys. The ones and zeros are wins and losses, and this column right here is for the accumulation. Started at 1,000, and now we're 1% risk with a 2-to-1 risk to reward, and so we got 62% win rate. We have $1,000 starting, and 5,000. We went up to that, and gains are 440%. And really nice looking graph right here. So yeah, I would suggest trading this on cryptocurrency for BTC USDT on Bybit. So go down below, $4,000 for free, and they got tons of other coins that you guys can trade, and they're adding them regularly. So go down below and claim your free $4,000 for free. So the Forex market, we need to change some settings for the Forex market, right? So Heikin ashi, we're going to change it to let's see here, 18, and change that one to 12, and then we will hit OK for that. Then we'll go over to the next one for the Atr bands. We'll change these to 2, and this top one is going to be 7. And that's that. And the EMA, we're going to change that, and we're going to change it over to 200. All right. So everything is looking pretty good for the Forex. You can see that some of these are looking pretty sexy on the Forex pair right here, and looking at all of these little areas right here. So now we have to do our back testing, and I'm going to show you the results. So here they are for Forex. We have a 55% win rate. It's a little bit lower than the cryptocurrency, and ending balance of 3,000 and 200% gains. So it's all right, but definitely trading cryptocurrency would make you so much more money. So trade over on Bybit. I would do that. Go down below, $4,000 for free if you'd like. Deposit and start trading in order to get your up to $4,000 for free, and do that. And hopefully you guys enjoyed, and subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff, and we will catch you next time.